we are about to.
We are not about to anything.
To do the eyebrows.
Hi guys, I know it's been a while since I did any voiceover at all, so we're going to do one today. And as you can see, we're doing the eyebrows. This is an eyebrow tutorial. So first of all, I fill in my brows. Make sure to not fill the front of the brows, because of course we're going for that ombre look. We want the front of the brows to look more natural than the other parts. So I mostly fill in the outer parts of the brows, that's the middle and the tail. I call it the tail, of course, but I don't fill in the front of the brows so it doesn't look too heavy and like the olden days brows that you draw from front to back. You know, we're going for the ombre look. So I fill in my brows. I'm using a brow gel from Hega and Esther in the shade Nubia. That's what I use to fill her brows. So I'm just going to go ahead to conceal the brows, or more like just clean it up, because I mean from the outlining of the brows alone it looks neat. So I just wanted to use the concealer to, you know, sharpen it and make it look more defined. That's the whole purpose of concealing. And like you saw in this video, or like you're seeing in this video, I didn't conceal the front of the brows. I just blended the concealer towards the front of the brows, just so it still gives that natural look. I'm just repeating the same process on the other eyebrow. Blending is a very, very important part of makeup. Anything you do, you have to blend. So after concealing the eyebrow, you have to also blend the concealer properly so that it looks neat.
Things that they do. You go do first in makeup finish, you go post another makeup artist name.
Are you serious? On top of your makeup, what you do?
You never ever meet.
I don't go drag am for neck. Which kind of meet
people? I swear to God, people that will just depress you. Like I know that I will say, my name no big enough for you.
Imagine I go do makeup, you tag on that person. No, no.
See, you've not seen no.
I go rush you. Are you serious?
I did lashes for one girl. You know, my studio, the pillow is pink. So when I even finish doing the lashes, girls like complain that she doesn't like the lashes, that she's not in the mood for videos.
Oh, she don't want to do video.
And I said, oh, okay, no problem. I just left it. And I asked her what she doesn't like about lashes. I said, nothing, it's just not what she. All these kind of people. I just said, okay, bye bye. This girl went back because she has a studio.
If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also turn on your notifications so that when I post a new video, you'll be alerted. Bye.